why the initial reason that this came about was because of.
Well, the initial reason really had to do with those BMWs and Mercedes. So these mechanics, they work on those type of vehicles, and they're noticing these customers are coming in with a broken horn. Well, the repair on that is really expensive. And even if you try to bypass the dealer, it's still expensive because of the one, with those horns, it's an integrative component.
Right.
So you're dealing with the side bag, what is it, the airbag, excuse me,
Right.
and everything else. And then there's breaking down the steer wheel horn. And then there are some horn solutions out there on the market, but none as flexible as this, where one, there's no involvement with the steering wheel. You pretty much put it up under your hood and let it stay until it's time to charge, or just leave it there until you do decide to get your horn replaced. Or if you're like me with no intention, it becomes that permanent fix, because let's face it, if I'm in traffic, I need to be able to use my horn.
Right, and for me, it's not a part of the car that's exposed.
Right.
So it's not like you have to replace it with something that people are going to see.